Hello my people, hope you're doing well. Welcome to Life at Large with me, your girl, QueenTrisha. And today on my panel, I have a lady from Shuya Pads.
Hello everyone, I'm called Anne Kemirambe. I work with Carbon Medical Supplies. So I'm glad to be here with you, Trisha.
I'm glad to have you here as well. So today we are going to be talking about Shuya Pads. Nchimanyi, abantu mumanyi so many type of pads, but leero tungenda kwogera about the Shuya pads because there are different kind of pads. Shobola banchazizo omukyalo ono agenda kuba tunnyonnyola what are Shuya pads, the advantages of using Shuya pads. So Madam Anna, for starters, first tell us a little bit of Shuya pads.
So Shuya pads are basically pads that came out to really make people's lives really nice. Yeah, girls out there, because very many people have issues with menstrual health, menstrual problems. People have issues here and there. They have bacterial infections whenever they're done with their peas. So we realized something has to be done about their health to be safe and good. So we had to come up with pads that are so comfortable, they are so good. We are going to let you know more about the pads. They are so nice. You like them.
So Anna, first tell us, are these Shuya pads made in Uganda or they are manufactured and they're imported in Uganda? They
are manufactured from China, then imported into Uganda by Carbon Medical Supplies. So we are the suppliers of Shuya around. Even in Kenya, they are there beside here. Yeah.
So they are like behind
everything.
The mastermind,
like the founder of,
the founder of
Shuya pads. Muna
Uganda wawano. Naye azikolera Kenya.
Yes.
Why? Azikolera China, right?
Yes, because they have the best materials we have to do, like to get these pads. Yes, but in Uganda we don't have the best materials to produce the products. That's
so yasalawo nazikolera
yafuna information about the product nasalawo okugenda eri n'abawa knowledge how to do it, like n'abawa the information like what do you need, what you should put here. For them they did the manufacturing. So basically bo batuyamba na gundi zaabwe materials ezokukozesa the product. Yes, and the machines. Naye for us it's the knowledge eyaffe. So meaning it's like Shuya wa Uganda.
People might think
that's not the case.
So now about Shuya pads again. What is the difference between them and the other pads?
Yeah, I think with that I should bring something to show you. Yeah, sure. So the difference between there are very many differences between, because our pads are really different from other pads. You cannot compare them to other pads because we're starting from the cotton, the material itself. When you look at it, it is 100% cotton. It has this onion strip. It's what makes our pad different from other pads. Yeah, this onion strip is it comprises of
this one in the middle.
This green thing. Yes, it has active oxygen, negative ion. That is what we need in our bodies. Yeah, with active oxygen, we mean when you put on our product, the Shuya pad, you get oxygen in and out. That's why you don't get bad odor when you use our product. Yeah, wobo yambadde product eno tofuna punyambi tonya bubi tezibunya tekwokya you feel so comfortable, better dry the entire day. You actually forget into yambadde product or not you feel like better
you
normal.
Even forget your new periods.
Exactly, that's the issue. That's the thing.
Okay.
Yeah, so they call it into an onion strip. Yeah, it preventing bacterial infections, it breaking it down the blood clots. I mean, when you get blood clots, like when you put on a pad, but at some point, also we'll call another product. Me personally like to use other products. Before finding out about how good this is. Yeah, and then when you move the jump pad, you find clothes on top of that, which is not supposed to be the case. Yeah, but with this, we are going to make an experiment and see. Because when you pour water on our product, because of course we can't get exact blood to put. Yeah. So when you put water onto this pad, no quarter like this. It absorbs
really
100%.
Dry,
Yes, it absorbs 100%. They are breathable. They are antibacterial. They have a lot of things, have a lot of functions. They're so nice.
Now, when you say they're antibacterial, do they prevent or do they cure or they prevent?
They do not cure. Actually, our pads don't connect with infections. I mean, when you put on a product, when you have an infection, it actually reacts. That's how bad it is. When
It
you have
will
an infection,
tell you that you have an
something is not
infection.
right. Yeah, you will
Yes.
feel uncomfortable, which is not the case. When you're fine and use it, everything will be okay, of course. But when you use it when you have an infection already, ojja kuwulira nga tokitegeera ogambe naye no product erina kyenkola, meaning eri mu kureactinga cause erina kyesanzeeyo kyetalina sangayo. That is the thing. But preventing ate curinga. Abantu bamanyi okugamba nti Shuya pads zirimu eddagala, zirimu medicine, zirimu chemicals, but our pads are natural. Because this onion strip, they are organic, yes, that is the word. So, onion strip bagikolera mu, I can give you a scenario mu Uganda tuyinza bijja mu kuba bagikola mu lavender, that is the live example nyinza obawo mu Uganda. Lavender oyinza omusanga Kasese, Hot Springs eyo, Chitagata. Yes, so onion strip eri natural tebagamba tebalina n'omu avayo n'abagamba nti no Shuya pads zirimu eddagala ozikozesa ziwonya teziwonya. They prevent. That is what they do.
So it's better you don't have and you start wearing them.
Yes.
Okay. So now about this iron.
It is onion.
Onion.
Yes.
Yeah, others call it mint.
Yeah, just because it's like it has that feeling of mint. Yeah, actually some people be like, because me now the best way I explain this sometimes, some people be like, when you put on this pad you feel so
that
fresh, you feel that ticklish
yeah.
thing, you feel some people be like it's like sweet peps, others be like it's like meat, but it is onion. That is what helps the movement of the blood and everything.
Meaning it reacts to how you are. If you have infections, it will react.
Yes, you have to go and first treat it. If you treat it and come back and use it, it is okay.
Yes.
Yes.
So now, talking about Shuya pads, as we can see here, there are different packs of Shuya pads.
Yes.
We have blue.
Yeah.
We have green. We have brown, and we have purple.
Yeah, and we also have maternity, the pink, though we didn't put it on this plate.
We have the maternity kits also. The maternity kits are the people who have just given birth, or you have a
very heavy flow that cannot handle this.
That can't handle the biggest is this one, the brown one. So if it can't handle this, you go for the
maternity.
For the maternity
you can also call it alternate, because people be like, maternity.
Okay, alternate. So kati, Madam Anna, njagala tunyonyole, because when I see this, omanyi every pack ekulaga. This is day. This is night and this is day.
Yeah.
So why exactly do they indicate this night and this day?
Now, for us, for easier, because now when someone goes to buy, some people are not good at colors. Yeah, so for them to identify what they really want, it's easier to say, I want day.
So, kati, chenjagala okumanya. Day eyambeta and night ereta. What is the difference between both of these? So
the difference with these pads, the quality of these pads is the same. The quality of it is the same. The difference are the sizes. Yes. So why we call them that is because during day because now day is the small one. Because the small can, work, because it is small, you can sit and do it. But for night, you have to sleep.
And turn around.
Yeah, you will turn around, you don't know what you're doing, I mean. So okufuna enjawulo yazo into okumanya sizes zazo.
So this is for the night?
No, this is night, the first one, because night there are two. There is night brown, night days. Yes.
Now, if the difference I see between the night and day is that behind here, when you're padding behind, it's a little bit bigger. Yeah, it has two wings, these wings and these wings. And the day, it has one wing.
Yes. So now this is the day has two, one wing. This is the wing. When we talk about wings, we will nika emabega. When we talk about the wings, yeah. So now this is day. You that's why they be like, abaina light flow can use this. If you have a medium flow, sometimes you can use medium. This. If you have a heavy flow, you use this. And if your flow is really heavy, you can't handle this. You can use the alternate. Yes, it's the biggest.
The mama kit.
Those ones. So the difference is this. Purple is small. It has one wing. Yes. So if you have a light flow, you feel free to use this. Yes. If you have a flow that's not stable, sometimes it's small, sometimes it's light, sometimes it's heavy, you can still use medium. Yeah, it really works. So now, some people don't know how to use this. Let me talk about this too. Some people think these two wings are this is supposed to do the same role as this. But this is supposed to hold the knicker. The usual ones.
I thought that these are supposed to be the first and these are supposed to be go behind.
Yeah,
because since they're a little bit bigger and they can sit.
That's the thing. So these ones, you're supposed to put them back on to hold the knicker.
And this one is supposed to sleep.
Yes, they have to lie on the knicker so that you feel comfortable.
You don't fold them.
Yes, that's why people that's why people have issues when you use a pad. You have to sit like this. Like you don't have to change. You have to be like this all the time. Because you know, when you change like this, it's going to go this side. Yeah.
Yes,
but when you use this, this, you normally have these guards already, so you can still lean back. You can sleep the other side. You can, yeah. So that is the use of this.
Yeah. But they are really comfortable. That one I can confess. They are very nice. You will wear them and you will not feel that you're wearing a pad. For sure, you'll wear them and you'll feel like yes, so comfortable. So now, in this purple, because me I usually use purple. There is always test kit, tests.
Yeah, all the packs have test kits.
Really?
Yeah,
all of them.
Each pack comes with a free test kit.
These are the pant liners. Yeah, we don't have the samples of the
We can still open this.
The sample of a pant liner. For them, you wear them every day. Every day. You don't have to get a particular day to wear them. You will wear them every day. So these pant liners, do they help on the discharge? Let's say someone has a discharge. So these are the pant liners that you're supposed to be wearing every day. You wear them every day because of the public toilets that we use. But the public toilets that we use are not safe because everyone is going to come and
infections are everywhere.
Yeah, infections are everywhere. So it's better you go with a Shuya pad, pant liner to prevent. Like we said, it prevents, it does not cure. They don't cure, but they prevent. Like, besides that, Shuya pads have pant liners that are for everyday use, besides being in your menstruals. So, Madam Anna, explain about the pant liners.
So, for starters, those who don't know panty liners are day-to-day things that you have to use. Yeah, not when you're in your periods, but on a daily, like. You have to keep it fresh, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so when you put on this panty liner, especially the Shuya panty liner, it keeps you fresh still. Yeah, it prevents bacterial infections. Yeah, and then you know our systems are always functioning. They produce liquids here and there. Yeah, sometimes you use toilets, maybe you didn't find tissue. Yeah, you have your panty liner, you can still go to chore and put it on or remove it. You remove it and put another one. For you to be safe.
So let me ask, the pant liner is good for a person, for a lady or a girl child that hasn't started periods yet because they still get infections.
Even little kids in primary, nursery, they can still use them.
So these are the pads people who have our grandmas, our mamas.
Yes, no, those mamas who are watching this video and they're like, now for me this video is not for me. No, it is also for you because you still need this. Yeah, you go in public toilets, you know, they're not safe out there. So when you have your Shuya panty liner, it's safe because it will, you know, kill all those bacterial infections that may attack you.
Ekati nekira ndoza ne bamama mutegedde abayina abaana abakyali wansi that haven't started the menstruals, but osobola okuzimuwa omupakingira pant liners. These are the pant liners. That's how they look like.
Yeah, they are green.
Yes, they are green. N'omuwana agenda nabira nga padding to prevent. So for them they prevent. They do not cure again. So omugulirayo like packs nagenda nazo ku somero nabera nga azambala no baba tanatandika kugenda mu periods. So can you explain more about the pant liners?
The panty liners, especially Shuya pant liners, the pack is green. So some people mistaken them because when you just cram Shuya and go to the supermarket and look for Shuya, you might buy Pant Liners for pads. You might think ngenze gula pads, no gula Pant Liners, they stuck kuyamba. So you have to keep it in mind. When I'm looking for Shuya Pant Liners, I'm looking for green. That is green. So you go and pick your green pack. Inside this pack will be 30 Panty Liners. Yeah, there are 30 in each pack.
Omuntu asobola okulaba nagamba ngenda kufuna 30 pads. Nagamba kangole ate natukayo nabera disappointed.
Yes. Naye ng'olina keeping in mind green Shuya ebeera Panty Liner. So when you buy ogenda gula kano weka kano it cannot help you in your periods. It's a day-to-day use. Yes.
And it's not basically for people that are in periods. Koka kozesa oba ogenda mu periods oba togenda mu periods as long as you're a girl child.
Yes.
Yes,
even when you're going to travel, ogenda maybe kutambula, omanyi mutambulire mu bus, it's stopping over those things, or solo baneka pant line nako. You get somewhere, you pee, you remove it, put another one that is so safe. Or even abantu omanyi tulina kwambala cotton knickers, but abantu they can't afford them. So this is 100% cotton. So what are the coconut can't over there and buy the cotton?
The feel.
Yes, even the
yeah. You people you should buy Shuya.
So katubo kamba de kano. Yes, kanobo kamba dobanga and the nika cotton because kabeda wali. Remember our private parts need that comfort, that cotton kind of thing. So some people ate abantu baddamu bagenda baziddamu ajoza lero ne kastekala.
I know.
Ngateka ko. But when you put this it is more it is more safe.
Yeah. So Shuya is a product that you guys should really look out for. Okay, and even you can contact me, go down there, comment, like and subscribe and make your orders. I'll get them for you. And Shuya does not only make pads and pant liners, but it has a test kit.